Sky is 8 years old. He studies at Andres Bonifacio College. His parents are Mr. Aldrin and Mrs. Glendale de la Cruz. He will now be performing his rendition of the song Magtanim Ay Di Bio. Let's give it up for Sky Augustin de la Cruz. Our applauses please for that stellar performance from Sky Augustin de la Cruz. He will now be joined by his instructor, Ms. Hazel Mondoy. And we would like to invite the proud parents of Sky Augustin, Mr. Aldrin and Mrs. Glendale de la Cruz, to please join Sky Augustin on stage.